birthday ng aking panganay. 28 years old na siya. And we're going to celebrate it tonight.
It's been
What are we gonna celebrate today?
birthday.
Birthday of
The chubby.
the chubby. Talaga? Of your ate, Erica. Kuya Luis, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Ate Erica.
Happy Erika! Happy Erika! It is number.
Mag-walk kami dalawa ni kuya ko kasi lapit lang dito yung kakainan namin. Then mag-ride kami ng tricycle. Hi kuya. See you there. Very cozy. Ganda yung place. Kuya? Lemon! Nice place. Nice din ang presyo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Tingnan yung muntik natin bilhin. Ayun yung muntik natin.
May cake din pala sila. I have many cakes, baby.
Oh, syempre, di magpapaili ang bebe. Umayos ka, Anthony, ha? Hi, kuya!
Ang damit ni Kuya. Bagay kay Kuya.
Mama.
Oh, this is me and Mama. Look. This is me and Mama. This is even a 19th birthday.
Nakakatuwang tingnan, ano?
Ay na. Ito pala yung lokman.
Yan ang lokwan.
Picture tayo.
Video to, video! Say hello! Busy na kami, eh.